In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change, e.g. sound notification cookies, for each website on Google Chrome browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the specific website that you want to manage. After the website has loaded, look to the top left area of the browser window, right next to the website address in the address bar. There you will see the sliders or settings icon. Click on that icon to open the website controls. From that menu, select Site Settings. When you click it, Chrome will open a page with the permissions and content settings for that specific website. Now you can adjust the permissions you want. Look through the available options, such as sound, notifications, cookies, or location. Next to each setting, you will usually see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down for the setting you want to change. Then choose the option that best matches your preference. For example, you might allow sound on one site, block notifications on another, or limit location access for websites that do not need it. Once you make your changes, Chrome usually saves them automatically, so there is no extra save button to worry about. You can simply close the Settings tab or return to the website and continue browsing. That covers everything you need to know.